Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add received KrispCall SMS in Google Sheets. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new SMS on my registered number with KrispCall account, then automatically I want to add the SMS details in a Google Sheet. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be KrispCall and my action application will be Google Sheets. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add received KrispCall SMS in Google Sheets. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new SMS on my number registered with KrispCall, then I want to add the SMS details in a Google Sheet. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you're an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on this sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now in order to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add received KrispCall SMS in Google Sheets. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as KrispCall to Google Sheets automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So as my use case is to add the received KrispCall SMS in Google Sheets. So to begin with this automation, I will go to my trigger window, and over here, I'm going to search for KrispCall as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new SMS or MMS. So this trigger will start working whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS. So now moving to the action window, as I want to add the received SMS details in a Google Sheet. So over here, Google Sheets will be my action application. Here it is. And the action event will be to add a new row. So over here, as you can see, I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now proceeding ahead in this automation, firstly, I need to build a connection between KrispCall and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now, in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the API key and the secret key. For that, I'm going to take you to my KrispCall account, and in my KrispCall account, I will go to settings, and here under settings, I will go to developer. This here is the API key and the secret key. So I'm just going to copy both of these keys and I'm going to paste it over here and click on save. So here I've mentioned the keys. I'm going to click on save, and you can see that KrispCall and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the response could be captured over here inside KrispCall. So I'm going to send a SMS to the registered number with my KrispCall account. I'm going to show you the SMS as well. So this here is the SMS that I've framed, and I'm going to send. It goes as, hello, I'm current user. I've visited your website and I'm eager to enroll for PHP course. I would like to know more about the course, and I would appreciate if you can send the brochure to me on this given email ID, that is currentuser@pabblytudes.com. Hoping to hear from you soon. So this here is the SMS that I've sent. So now I'm going to take you to my KrispCall account. So here in my KrispCall account, you can see that under the all conversation section, so here is the SMS that I've received. So that means over here in KrispCall, I have successfully received the SMS, and the details of this SMS would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So here you can see the two number, that is my KrispCall number. Here is the ID, and here is the from number, like from where I have received the SMS. And this over here is the content of the SMS. So I'm going to show you the full content. So here is the SMS content. So that means over here inside Pabbly Connect, I have successfully received the KrispCall SMS details. So the first objective of this automation is set up. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS or MMS in my KrispCall account, then automatically the details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the details, now I want to add these details in Google Sheets in a new row. So to do that, I need to build a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. I'm going to click on Connect. And now in order to add a new connection, you just have to sign in with your Google account. So as I already have an existing connection, so I will go with the same and click on Save. So here you can see that Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the Select Spreadsheet part and the Select Sheet part. So this is the Google Sheet that I've created by the name of KrispCall SMS. It consists of 3 columns, that is a from number, query and the ID along with one sheet. So I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS in my KrispCall account, then automatically the details should be added in this Google Sheet in a new row. So to do that, I will take you to Pabbly Connect. And now firstly, I'm going to select my spreadsheet as KrispCall SMS. And as I did that, over here it has automatically detected the selected sheet. So now moving to these details. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from KrispCall, so that is why over here I'm going to map the from number. So now moving to the query. So over here again from the response received, I'm going to map the query. Moving to the ID part, so I'm going to search for the ID and here is the ID, I have mapped it. So as you can see that in these fields, I have mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we mapped the information. So as I've mapped the details, now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means the SMS details would have been added in my Google Sheets in a new row. So now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet in a new row, you can see that the KrispCall SMS that I've received, the details are successfully added. So this here's the from number, here's the query and this here's the ID. So that means the details of the received KrispCall SMS is successfully added inside this Google Sheet in a new row. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS in my KrispCall account, then automatically the details of that SMS will be added in my Google Sheets in a new row. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.